Today's lesson is about adding or subtracting algebraic fractions. To add or subtract algebraic fractions having a common denominator, keep the denominator and combine, add or subtract, the numerators. Simplify if possible. Our first example will show you what this means. Example 1. X minus 4 divided by x plus 1 plus 3 divided by x plus 1. So the first thing that we want to look at is our denominators, and our denominators are the same. We have an x plus 1 here and an x plus 1 here. If the denominators are the same, then you can add or subtract the numerators. So we have x minus 4 plus 3 divided by x plus 1, because our denominators are the same. And then we have x minus 1 divided by x plus 1, and there is nothing to simplify, so that is our final answer. To add or subtract algebraic fractions having different denominators, you need to follow the following steps. Number 1, find a lowest common denominator, also known as the LCD. Number 2, change each fraction to an equivalent fraction with the common denominator. Number 3, combine each numerator. Number 4, simplify if possible. Our next example will demonstrate these steps. Example 2, x plus 2 divided by 3x plus x minus 3, divided by 6x. So I'm going to first look at my denominators. I have a 3x and I have a 6x. So my LCD would actually be 6x. So now I'm going to rewrite what I have. I have x plus 2 divided by 3x plus x minus 3 divided by 6x. If my LCD is 6x, then all I need to do is multiply this fraction by 2 divided by 2. So I will get 2x plus 4 divided by 6x plus x minus 3 divided by 6x. Now I can combine my numerators since my denominators are the same. So I get 2x plus 4 plus x minus 3 all over 6x. Now I'm going to combine like terms. I have a 2x plus x, which is 3x, and I have a 4 minus 3, so that's plus 1, divided by 6x. And that is my final answer. If there is a common variable factor with more than one exponent, use its greatest exponent. Example 3, 4 divided by x to the third y plus 3 divided by x y squared. Okay, so now I am going to look at both of my denominators. My greatest exponent for x's is x to the third, so my LCD, x to the third, and my greatest exponent for the y's is y squared. So my LCD is x cubed y squared. So I'm going to rewrite what I have. 4 divided by x to the third y plus 3 divided by x y squared. To get x cubed y the same as x cubed y squared, I need to multiply the numerator and the denominator by y. And to get x y squared to be x cubed y squared, I need to multiply the numerator and the denominator by x squared. When I do that, I get 4y divided by x to the third y squared plus 3x squared divided by x to the third y squared. So now I have a common denominator. So now that I'm going to add my numerators. So I have 4y plus 3x squared all over x cubed y squared. And then there's nothing to simplify, so that is my final answer. To find the lowest common denominator, it is often necessary to factor the denominators. Example 4. X divided by x squared plus 5x plus 6 minus 2 divided by x squared plus 3x plus 2. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to factor both denominators. So my numerator stays the same. I need a 6, so I have x plus 3, x plus 2. My numerator stays the same. And here I have a x plus 2, x plus 1. Okay, so now looking at my denominators, my LCD has to be x plus 3. They both have an x plus 2. And x plus 1. So my denominators need to be x plus 3 times x plus 2 times x plus 1. So I'm going to rewrite this. X divided by x plus 3, x plus 2 minus 2, x plus 2, x plus 1. Okay, so I need to multiply this fraction by x plus 1 divided by x plus 1. And this fraction is going to be multiplied by x plus 3. Because remember, I need to make my denominators the same. So I get x squared plus x divided by x plus 1, x plus 3 times x plus 2 minus 2x plus 6 divided by x plus 2 times x plus 1 times x plus 3. So now my denominators are the same. So I'm going to move this up. Give myself more room. I'm going to subtract the numerators. So I have x squared plus x. Now this minus tells me to distribute it to both terms. So I get minus 2x minus 6 all over x plus 1, x plus 3 times x plus 2. And I combine like terms, x squared minus x minus 6 all over x plus 1, x plus 3 times x plus 2. Now I'm going to factor my numerator. And I get x minus 3 times x plus 2 all over x plus 1 times x plus 3 times x plus 2. Now I can cross simplify. an x plus 2 here and an x plus 2 here. And that's it. So I'm left with x minus 3 divided by x plus 1 times x plus 3. And that is my final answer. That's it for today. See you in class.